It is Black Friday. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, but I am here to remind you that my sketch extravaganza is open for enrollment. I have these 10 wonderful sketches for you to go through. Now, you know, mine are all loose leaf here, so you might want to put yours in a sketchbook. Mine have all come out of the sketchbook just for different reasons. I take them maybe when I'm teaching or different things like that. But there are 10 sketches on here. All of these sketches are logged into the course. They're done individually. They're all 30 minutes or less. And I have been very detailed with all the information for you. So it has like the percentage that I'm using. Some of these are done with Dick Blick markers. Some of these are done with the old Prisma color markers. But one thing I did do was I've added into the course the comparison charts. So I did some swatching so you can see the comparison chart. So if you have, let's say you're using Copic markers, then you can see what the Prismacolors look like compared to the Copic markers on the swatches that I put in there. So really, you get to pick what kind of marker you're using. You can use, I have the Copics, I've done Dick Blick with some. There are some with the Tombow markers. And then like I said, back in the beginning days where the Prismacolor markers were quite accessible, but they're not as much anymore. But I have done that color swatching to help you with that. So in that course are 10 of those value scale markers. Why? Why do we do value scale markers? Well, to be honest, this is such a great way to improve your skill. No matter what you do subject matter, value is the key element to everything. Obviously, composition and drawing is very important. You're going to learn about composition, you're going to learn about drawing, you're going to become more sensitive to values as you go through this, and you're going to end up with 10 very cool black and white sketches. So I hope that you consider jumping in. If you know anything about my online courses, if you've been through any of them, you know that I am very detailed to the very last little mark on the page. I have a detailed supply list for you. I have, like I said, the marker comparisons for you. I talk about the proportional wheel in there for you. And just throughout each drawing, I discuss my thought process. Like I'll say things about when I go to paint this, I know such and such. Or from painting so many of these, I know what these values, these comparisons do. So there's a lot of talk through each video relating to where I will be going with my painting, because just about every single one of these, and it is true with every single one, has become a painting somewhere along the line. I try to do that. I have found that it really has helped me. All right, my friend, so jump in now. We have a great Black Friday price. Right now, it's $47 for the course. It is going up in a couple days. On Monday, the cart closes and this course will go back to regular price. But as I am bringing it out as an introductory and celebrating sketching, you know I am a big advocate on sketching, as I have done my summer sketch giveaway for multiple years, and I do preach it a lot, and it is something that I do as well. All right, my friend, go check out the link here in the bottom of this video and get in there and start sketching.